Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 19th October 2020. Your chapter 6 decimal numbers was going on. In the last class I have completed D part of question number 3rd of exercise 1. So from E part I want to continue from today. Okay. So in the E part the question was same. In the third question write as decimal. So here the fraction has been given 18 upon 10. So how can you get the decimal number? You can see it here. In 18 upon 10 the numerator is 18 and the denominator is 10. So you will divide it, then after that you can get the decimal number. So look here, how can you divide? In the rough column, denominator is 10 and the numerator is 18. So it will be divisible by 10 1 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. Then it will not be divisible, then you can put the decimal number here, then you can take 1 0. So you can see it here, 80 can be easily divisible by 10. 10 8s are 80. So 80 has been divided. Now you have got the decimal number, that is 1 decimal 8. So here you will write is equal to 1 decimal 8. Clear students? Now students, F part. In the F part it has been given the fraction 3 upon 100. So that question you will solve in your homework. Okay. The G part. In G part the fraction is 555 divided by 100. 555 is the numerator and 100 is the denominator. So you can divide 555 with the 100. Look here how. 100, then 555. You can see it here, 100 5s are 500. So it will be divisible by 5 times. 555 minus 500, then you have got 55, and 55 will not be divisible by 100. So you can put it here decimal and increase 1 0 here. Now it is 550. And you know about that 550 is easily divisible by easily divisible by 100. So 100 5s are 500. Okay. Then the remaining number is 50. Now 50 is not divisible by 100. So you have already put the decimal here. So you can increase 1 0 here. आपने decimal यहाँ लिख दिया, so आप एक 0 यहाँ बढ़ा सकते हैं. So 100 5s are 500. Now you have got the decimal number 5 decimal 50. So here you will write is equal to 5 decimal 55. Clear? So that is your answer. You can write the answer. Answer is equal to 5 decimal 55. Clear students? Now see the H part. In H part the fraction is 145 upon 10. So that fraction you will solve in your homework. So that question you will solve in your homework. Clear? Now students, see question number 4. In question number 4 it has been given write as fractions, and A part has been given 0 decimal 5. Okay, there are the F part till from A to F. This is the question number 4 here. Okay, and there are the part A from A to F. So A part you can see it here in the copy. It has been given A part 0 decimal 5. So you can put it here and you will convert it in a fraction. So remember students, at the time of the conversion in fraction you cannot put decimal here. 0 decimal 5 में आप सिर्फ 5 यहाँ लिखेंगे. And you know about that, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई नंबर नहीं होता है, कोई डिजिट नहीं होता है, so आप हमेशा उसे क्या मानते हो बेटा? 1. Okay, so you can see it here. After decimal, how many numbers are here? 1 number. It means 1 नंबर दिया है. सो आप क्या करोगे बेटा? डिनोमिनेटर में 1 0 इंक्रीज कर दोगे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? इट मीन्स ध्यान रखना बेटा, डेसिमल के बाद जितने नंबर होंगे आप डेसिमल हटाओगे एंड अपोजिट में डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होता है बेटा? 1 होता है. डेसिमल के बाद जितने भी डिजिट दिए होंगे उतने आप 0 डिनोमिनेटर में इंक्रीज कर दोगे. क्लियर? सो नाउ योर फ्रैक्शन इज 5 upon 10. सो दैट इज योर आंसर. यू कैन राइट द आंसर. आंसर इज इक्वल टू 5 upon 10. Okay, so it has been converted in the decimal. Now students, see the B part. In B part the number has been given 0 decimal 55 Now same thing you will convert it in a fraction. So look here how number I have noted down here. So decimal आप बेटा remove कर दोगे. So now your number is 55 and I have already told to you अगर किसी नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर में कोई नंबर नहीं दिया होता है, so we will think about that there is 1. So after decimal you can see it here how many digits are here 1 2. So हमने आपको क्या बताया, डेसिमल के बाद जितने डिजिट होंगे उतने आप जीरो डिनोमिनेटर में इंक्रीज कर देंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. इट मीन्स यू हैव रिटन हियर 100. सो योर आंसर इज 55 अपॉन 100. यू कैन राइट द आंसर इज इक्वल टू 55 अपॉन 100. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी पार्ट यू विल सॉल्व इन योर होमवर्क. Okay, in C part the number has been given 0.05. So that question you will solve in your homework. Now see the D part. In D part the number has been given 8.11. So how can you convert it here? Look here. So you can see it here 8.11 number has been given. So when you will remove the decimal, जब आप decimal हटाओगे so that number is related from the 811. ये नंबर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा आपका 811. एंड डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, सो आप क्या मानोगे 1. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी इट हियर आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर हियर. आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर आर द 2 डिजिट्स. सो हियर यू विल इंक्रीज टू 0. ओके, यानी नाउ योर फ्रैक्शन इज 811 अपॉन 100. ये आपका फ्रैक्शन क्या है बेटा 811 अपॉन 100. एंड यू नो अबाउट दैट, हमने आपको फ्रैक्शंस के चैप्टर में पढ़ाया है. If the fraction is related from the improper fraction, so that fraction you will convert it in the whole number. अगर आपका फ्रैक्शन क्या है improper fraction है, so आप उसे whole number में convert करते हो. and improper fraction पहचानोगे कैसे आप बेटा, the numerator if the denominator is less than the numerator. अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर जो है वो न्यूमरेटर से कम है, so that is called improper fraction. You can see it here 811 is the numerator and 100 is the denominator. So 811 is more than the 100. So it means that is improper fraction. And improper fraction I have already told to you that will be converted in the whole number. So look here how can you convert it in the rough column. At the time of the conversion you will divide numerator with the help of the denominator. So your denominator is 100 and numerator is 811. So now we will divide it here. 100 8 is a 800. So 800. Okay. So when you will subtract 811 minus 800, then you will got 11. So now 11 will not be divisible by 100. So here you will write it here is equal to, so that is the whole number, that is numerator and that is denominator. It means 8 whole number 11 upon 100. So here you will write 8 whole number 11 upon 100. Clear student? So that is your answer. You will write the answer here. Answer is equal to 8 whole number 11 upon 100. I think students clear हुआ होगा ये. Now students E part. In E part the number has been given 9.09. So that part you will solve in your homework. Look the F part. In F part the number has been given 15.83. So look here how can we solve it. When we will remove decimal, so that number is related from the 1583. It means 1583. And in the denominator there will be 1. And how many numbers after decimal? You can see it here. There are the 2 numbers. It means 2 digits. Okay, decimal के बाद कितने digit है बेटा 2 digits है. So here you will increase to 0. Okay, and you can see it here. The numerator is more than the denominator. Numerator क्या है बेटा denominator से ज़्यादा है. So in that case that is called improper fraction, and improper fraction you have been converted in the whole number. So look here how can you convert 100 1583. So it will be divisible by 1 time. Okay, then 158 में आप 100 माइनस करोगे, so 58 you will got. Now you can take 3. Now it will be divisible by 5 times because 105 is 500. Okay, so 583 minus 500 is equal to 83. So you can write it here in the whole number because it was in improper fraction. So आपने क्या लिखोगे? That is the whole number digit. 15 is the whole number digit and 83 is the numerator and 100 is the denominator. So here you will write 15 whole number 83 upon 100, 100. Okay, so that is your answer. You will write the answer. Answer is equal to 15 whole number 83 upon 100. Clear, students? Now your exercise 1 of this chapter has been finished. Now I will start exercise 2. Students, before starting exercise 2, I want to explain one example in front of you. In your book, it has been given in your page number 94, example number 1. In the example, it has been given write 9.057 in the fractional and decimal expanded form. Remember students, डेसिमल के बाद हम इसे अलग अलग सेपरेट पढ़ते हैं, इसलिए हमने 9.057 पढ़ा है. ओके, देन फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इन द फ्रैक्शन, देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट दैट नंबर. हाउ आप इसको कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शनल में कैसे करोगे? पहले आप इसे फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करोगे, 1000 आएगा, 1000 से डिवाइड करोगे, देन होल नंबर में कन्वर्ट होगा, जैसे अभी हमने पिछले एक्सरसाइज में आपको हमने कराया. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट इट हैज़ बिन कॉल्ड अबाउट द डेसिमल एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. ये नया है बेटा, दिस इज न्यू इन योर एक्सरसाइज. सो लुक हियर you can see it here before decimal, that is the ones number, only one number has been given, that is called ones. So 9 ones. एंड कल भी हमने आपको बताया था, यानी प्रीवियस क्लास में भी हमने आपको बताया था, डेसिमल के बाद वाले नंबर क्या हैं? टेंथ्स, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. यानी जो भी आपका डेसिमल के पहले टेंस लगता था तो यहाँ THS हो जाएगा, हंड्रेड लगता था वहाँ तो यहाँ हंड्रेड्स हो जाएगा, थाउजेंड्स था डेसिमल के पहले, थाउजेंड के बाद क्या, डेसिमल के बाद क्या आएगा, THS लगे थाउजेंड्स हो जाएगा. सो हियर यू कैन सी इट, दैट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, दैट इज कॉल्ड 0 tenths. Then 5 is the second number, that is called 5 hundredths. Then 7 is the third number, that is called 7 thousandths. Okay, so on the basis of that type of thing you can represent it. Ones number को as it is आप लिखोगे, 0 0 ही होता है. Then 500 has been given, hundreds has been given, इसलिए 100 आप लिखोगे. ओके, और you can also see it, डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट हैं? 2 है 5 तक में. 7 को अगर हम नहीं लें, हमको 5 के बारे में बताना होगा, तो 5 क्या है? 2 है डिजिट, तो हम 2 0 इंक्रीज कर देंगे. एंड 7 को 7 एंड डेसिमल के बाद 7 तक में कितने डिजिट है? 3 है, सो यहाँ हम 1 लिख के 3 0 लगा देंगे. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रेजेंटेड इन द डेसिमल एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड द फ्रैक्शनल नंबर. ओके, देन इफ यू वांट टू चेक द आंसर, हियर इट हैज बीन गिवन हियर इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. जब आप इसको टोटल करोगे तो ये डेसिमल फॉर्म में आपका यही आना चाहिए, इट मीन्स 9.07. देन आपका आंसर करेक्ट है, अदरवाइज रॉन्ग है. बट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड अबाउट ओनली द फ्रैक्शनल एंड डेसिमल एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. सो टिल यहाँ तक रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 2. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2. इन दिस इट हैज बीन गिवन राइट एज डेसिमल्स. आपको क्या करना है बेटा? यहाँ डेसिमल में लिखना है. एंड द फ्रैक्शन हैज बीन गिवन 545 अपॉन 1000. ओके, सो यू नो अबाउट दैट व्हेन यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट एनी फ्रैक्शन इन डेसिमल, so at that time you will divide numerator with denominator, and here the numerator is 545 and the denominator is 1000. so आप 1000 से 545 में divide करोगे. look here how 1000 then 545. you know about that 545 will not be divisible by 1000, so we will put here decimal and increase 1 0. okay, so it will be divisible by 5 times. 1000 5s are 5000. now after subtraction we will find out 450. now it will not divisible by 1000, so now we will increase 1 0 here also, because I have already put the decimal here, so it will be divisible by 4 times. so 1000 4s are 4000, then 500, then you have already put the decimal, so you will increase 0 here also. 1000 5s are 5000. okay, so here is no one number will be remaining, because 5000 minus 5000 is equal to 0. so you have got the decimal number is equal to 545. you can write it here, decimal 545. यू कैन सी इट हियर, डेसिमल के पहले कोई नंबर नहीं है, सो आप यहाँ 0 पुट कर सकते हैं. ओके, नहीं भी पुट करेंगे तो भी सही है, लेकिन पुट कर देंगे तो थोड़ा ठीक लगेगा देखने में. ओके, सो दैट इज योर आंसर. यू कैन राइट द आंसर. आंसर इज इक्वल टू 0.545. Clear students? Now students, B part I am providing to you to solve in your homework. In this, fraction has been given 545 divided by 100. So that question you will solve in your homework. Okay, now look the C part. 545 upon 10. So look the solution of that question. You will also convert it in the decimal number. So here you can see it here, numerator is 545 and the denominator is 10. It means you will divide 545 with 10. Okay, look here how. 10, 545, you can see it will be divisible by 5 times. 10 5s are 50. So 54 minus 50 is equal to 4. Then you can put it here 5. 10 4s are 40. 45 minus 40 is equal to 5. Then you can use decimal here. Okay, then you can increase 0 here. So 10 5s are 50. So 50 you have got. So 50 minus 50 is equal to nothing. So you have got the decimal number 54.5. That is your answer. You can write the answer. Answer is equal to 54.5. Now listen students, D part and E part I am providing to you in your homework. In D part the fraction has been given 6865 upon 10, and E part it has been given 6865 upon 100. So that question you will solve in your homework. Okay, now students see the F part. In F part the fraction has been given 6865 upon 1000. Okay, so look here, 1000 then 6865, डिनोमिनेटर से आप न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करेंगे. सो इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाई 6 टाइम्स. सो 1000 6000, then 865 is the remaining number. Then you will put decimal here and you will increase 0. 1008 is 8000. Okay, then remaining number is 650. You have already put decimal here, so you can increase 1 0 here. 1006 is 6000. Then after that 500 is the remaining number. You have already put here decimal, so you can also increase 0 here. So 1005 is 5000. Okay, so that is your answer. You will write the answer in decimal number 6.865. Then after that you can write the answer in a separate form. Answer is equal to 6.865. Clear students? Now look the G part. In G part it has been given in the whole number, 4 whole number 123 upon 1000. So first you will convert it in the improper fraction. Look here, how can you convert it? Will convert it, first you will write the solution. 4 whole number 123 upon 1000. That means 1000 into 4 plus 123 upon 1000. Okay, it means हमें पहले डिनोमिनेटर से होल नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देन जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में ऐड कर दोगे. सो डिनोमिनेटर इज 1000. सो 1000 को हमने 4 में मल्टीप्लाई किया. देन न्यूमरेटर इज 123, इसको ऐड करना है. देन 1000. सो आफ्टर दैट यू विल गॉट 1000 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 4000 प्लस 123 अपॉन 1000 इज इक्वल टू 4123 अपॉन 1000. So you have got it. Now you can solve it with the help of the division. So look here, how can it will be divided. So we will divide it here. Fraction was 1123 divided by 1000. So in the rough column you will divide it 1000 and 4123. It will be divisible by 4 times. 4000. Then remaining number is 123. then you will put here decimal, then increase 0, 1000 1 ja 1000, then remaining number is 230, then put 0, 2, 1000 2 ja 2000, then remaining number is 300, then you can increase 10, then it will be divisible by 3 times. Okay, so now you have got the answer in decimal number 4.123. So here you will write 4.123. That is your answer. You will write the answer here. Answer is equal to 4.123. Clear, students? Last part of this question is the H part, and that part you will solve in your homework. That has been given in the whole number 10 whole number 99 upon 1000. So same as like G part, you will solve it. Okay, students.